Good evening, my name is Dr. David Hindmarsh and this is GP Templates. In this video we're going to look at creating a debrief template. So if you're either a trainee like myself or if you're a clinical supervisor, just think to yourself, if you're having a discussion about a patient, how are you recording that discussion? This template may be the solution for that. This template is also for sale, and I'll provide a link to my Facebook shop which will give you all the details of how much it costs and how to go about purchasing it. Out of the Hindmarsh triad, this definitely hits both speed in terms of documentation of your discussion and also safety to prove that you are having this and that you are not practicing too out of your own remit. This is also a how-to video, and so we'll look into actually creating the template itself, and so we'll look at specifically adding set notes to specific read codes and also setting tasks. So let's get on with the video.
Tommy test up again, just so we don't break any confidentiality, and we keep all of our templates on a main switchboard. I've got here a discussion at Debrief, which we click on, and you can see that this pops up here. Okay, we've got two boxes and this special action box as well as a little note from us. Okay, so these discussed with, if we click add preset, and we can see all the doctors that we've got our partners and one of our salaried and nurse practitioners on here, so we say that we've discussed it with Dr. Webb, and we've got preset plans, so we hit add, and we've got here agree with plan, agree with referral, and needs further action. Okay, so let's keep it nice and simple in the morning, agree with plan. If we were to say telephone follow-up required, we can just delete that. And the great thing about these notes box is that we can always add our own pretext. Disagree, needs antibiotics. So just a quick note there. Just so that we don't forget, we can hit new task, hit me, and I've done that all from one template. Okay. So let's quickly knock up a template. Shove it in clinical. We'll pick random tool, and so that's all we're going to do on this one. Please feel free to fill out this more. We're on design. Now, let's change the page number so that we can actually alter that as required. And whilst we're here, we're going to change it to that beautiful blue that you had. Lovely. So the notes ones are here, down on your main selection ones, and let's click on that one there. Okay. Now, if we you're saying about, well, what read code should we use? If you go back to the patient's actual notes, that debrief that we've just done, you can see here it says it comes up with discuss with doctor and discuss with doctor. Not ideal to have the same read codes, but unfortunately I couldn't find two separate ones that I was particularly happy with. So let's just keep things nice and simple. So discuss with doctor, see here, hit OK, and that puts it up here. And actually we can change the notes label to discussed with. And let's start adding them. So Dr. Hindmarsh, discussed it with me. Why would you do that? Let's have Dr. Webb. And you can see here you can add as little or as many doctors as you want, or if you've got a nurse practitioner, add them in as well. Just share the love around, basically. And if you want to change the order, you can use the arrow keys to knock them up and down. And if you've got a long list and you want to pull it up to the top, you can always hit that one as well. Okay, so we're not going to, you can see there's lots of bits and pieces here, but we're not going to confuse things. We're going to keep things nice and simple to start off with. Hit OK. So that's discussed with. We're going to do the same again. We're going to use the same read code. So find, it's already saved from our previous search on there, but we're going to put plan here instead. We're going to add some preset. So agree with plan, add again, disagree with plan. And you can see how you can add up your own. I always find with these notes that they are a work in progress. And what I mean by that is that you use them, use your imagination for a couple of them, you get them out into day-to-day practice, and then actually more pop out of the woodwork. There's no dramas in going back in there and sort of adding more of those as you go on. And actually that's the part of these templates, that they are a live document and they should be acted upon and adjusted. Now, special action buttons, or quick action buttons, sorry, I get it right. These are fantastic, and I'm going to show you a quick way of just setting a task. There are loads of quick actions, and we're going to spend quite a few videos covering these. So click there, select quick action, and you get these, and you're like, oh, what am I going to do? Right, keep it simple. Task, new task. Just click on new task, and that is it. Job done. You have just created yourself a new task. So that was a bit quick, so let's just do that again. Quick action button. Draw out your box that you want. Select quick action. Select which quick action you want. So we want task, hit enter or hit search, and just click new task. That is it. Jobs are good. Now I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. And to finish off, all we've done is just added a quick template title, debrief, and we've just added a little text box just to say patients who must be discussed. Hit OK. And once we're happy, let's have a quick preview, and we'll talk about later on tarting this up so it all lines up nicely, but at the moment we're just getting the basics down. Okay, so we just hit cancel from that, so that will take us back to our view, make it a little bit smaller, and let's hit OK. And again, it pops up because we haven't published this template, and that's it, automatically saved. If we want to, then we need to go back into our new template maintenance, and let's type in debrief, and you see that you've got the full template that we've done that's currently active at our unit, and the one that we've just created. I'm going to delete that just because I don't need it at the moment.
So you can see that from this video we've created a very simple template, but actually is incredibly important in day-to-day practice. We now implemented it because of we wanted our referrals to make sure that they're being appropriately discussed, because as the CCG in a whole we wanted to make sure that our routine referral rates are at an appropriate level, and one way of doing this is making sure that they are discussed in a peer group. You may have other reasons to discuss this, either with your trainer, following a debrief after a session, or just in terms of interesting patients that you have in your weekly teachings. So, many thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please comment below if you have any further videos that you would like to see, or any other templates that you would like me to create. Please follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook with the handle at gp_templates. As I said, the link to my Facebook shop will be provided below once it's up and running. Any issues or any problems, please don't feel free to contact me, admin@gptemplates.co.uk. Many thanks for watching, and happy template building.